Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Realm Sync with authentication in mobile apps, detailed guide step by step clearly. To install Realm Sync with authentication in your mobile app, start by ensuring you have the latest version of Realm SDK. Create a new project in your preferred mobile development environment. Open your project's configuration file and add the Realm dependencies required for synchronization. For both Android and iOS, follow the specific instructions provided in the official Realm documentation for integrating. Once the dependencies are added, ensure to sync your project to download the necessary libraries. Next, establish your Realm app on the MongoDB Realm dashboard. Create a new app and configure the authentication providers you wish to use, such as email/password or anonymous login. Once your app is set up, generate your app's configuration file. In your mobile app project, import this configuration file where you will initialize Realm. In your main application class, create an instance of the Realm app using the application ID from your configuration file. Set up the authentication method by implementing the appropriate functions for login and registration. Handle user input for authentication, ensuring to validate the information provided. Once the user is authenticated, store the user's credentials securely for future sessions. Initialize the Realm instance with the user's credentials to enable synchronization. Configure the synchronization settings according to your app's data requirements. Test the synchronization process by running your app and monitoring data changes. Implement a listener to detect changes in the Realm database for real-time updates. After ensuring everything works as expected, refine the user interface for a better experience during authentication and data synchronization. Finally, run thorough testing on different devices to confirm that Realm Sync functions seamlessly across your app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.